A very good morning to all my dear students. So after the unit tests are over, now we have to continue with our studies. Okay, so we were doing surface areas and volume. So in that chapter we have already completed one exercise which was based on cube and cuboid. Now we're going to study about the circular cylinder. So this is a cylinder actually which you observe in your everyday life around you. Okay, the glasses kept in your kitchen, all those are cylinders. Okay, you can call them circular cylinder. Now how circular cylinder is made, first we will discuss about that, then its lateral surface area, or you can say curved surface area, and then about the total surface area. So if you take a rectangular sheet, this is a plain rectangular sheet. Now if you have to fold it, okay, if you will just rotate it, you will fold it not in a complete fold, you have to rotate it in a round way, so you will get a cylinder. Okay, so when you will paste the two lines, this edge and this edge, when you will paste with the help of a sellotape, then you will get a cylinder. Okay, so that is called circular cylinder. Now what is the curved surface area? You all know in cube and cuboid also curved surface area was the lateral surface area. जो cube और cuboid का चार walls का area था, that was the lateral surface area. Similarly in cylinder also, the surface area, basically the surface area of this only rectangle, the area of rectangle only will be the curved surface area of cylinder. So rectangle का area क्या होता है? Length into breadth. तो this is the length, this complete is length and this is breadth, so this will be h, so this is h breadth, and since this is length, when you are rotating it, it is making a circle, and circle का circumference कितना होता है? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is the length. Okay, so 2 pi r is the length and h is the breadth, so this is the curved surface area. Okay, so you can learn the formula that curved surface area of a circular cylinder is 2 pi r h, where r is the radius of the circle. जब आप cylinder बनाओगे, you will observe that the top and bottom of the circle will be in the form of a circle, of the cylinder, sorry. So basically when you are just observing a cylinder, its top and bottom will be in the form of a circle. So here you can see this complete is 2 pi r. Okay, why I will tell you. And this width, complete width is h. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to just fold them. So when you will fold it and you will paste these two lines, okay, so I'm not using tape, I'm just folding it like this, so you will observe that this has become a cylinder. Now the top of this is in the form of a circle and bottom is also in the form of a circle. Okay, so its curved surface area will be 2 pi rh. Now when we're talking about total surface area is the lateral surface area, which is 2 pi rh plus area of circle above and area of circle below. Now since both the circles are same, their radii are same, r and r, and what is the area of a circle? Pi r square, and 2 are there, so 2 pi r square. So when you will just simplify it, you will get 2 pi r into h plus r. So this is the total surface area. Okay, so CSA of cylinder is 2 pi rh and TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. Whether you are writing h plus r or r plus h, one and the same thing. So based on these formulae, we are going to solve the exercise 13.2. So let's just see the first question. So the first question is, you have a cylindrical tank, its radius is r. Okay, it is not given to us actually. Height is given to us 14 centimeter and its curved surface area, okay, curved surface area is also given to us, which is 88. So what is the formula for? First of all, let the radius be r, okay, small r, then 2 pi rh is equal to 88. Then you just have to put the values in the equation and shuffle the equation. So r is equal to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 14. After cancelling, we are getting 1. That means radius is 1 centimeter. And if radius is 1 centimeter, then in the question they're asking us diameter. So diameter will be double the radius. You know that 2 into radius is diameter. So diameter is 1 into 2, which is 2 centimeters. Okay, so this is the first question. Now we'll see the second question. So in the second question again, now it is given that the base diameter of the tank, जो tank है, its base diameter is 140 centimeter and its radius will be 140 upon 2, half you will do, so it will be 70 centimeter. Since the height of the tank is given in meters, so we'll convert this into meter, so it will be 0.7 meter. Now we have got the R, which is 0.7 meter, H, which is 1 meter, and now we have to calculate the total surface area of the tank, which is, you know, by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, so you just have to substitute the values 2, and unless it is mentioned in the question that take the value of pi as 3.14, the value of pi are 2. एक वैल्यू है इसकी 22/7 and one particular value is 3.14. Okay, if it is mentioned in the question that you have to take 3.14 as the value, then only take, otherwise by default you have to take 22/7. So this is the simplified form, and the area, total surface area, is 7.48 meter square. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. Today I'm just doing 2 questions, so please complete the previous work and complete these 2 questions in your notebook, and then we'll continue tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you.